いいから。
California.
Hi, I'm Sayaka. I am a self-educated artist in San Francisco, California. In this video, I'm gonna show you the 3 steps of how I made this. I only use the super easy techniques, so hopefully it's helpful and you can steal something from my video. Let's get into the video right away. Step 1. Pick your favorite color, or the color can fit your mood, or the color whatever you like. This time I put orange on the right side. Yeah, orange, yellow orange, red orange, whatever orange. Yeah, because it have power for me. Maybe for everyone too. And right side. No, this is left side, sorry. Left side, it's gonna be yellow tone. I try to make a different color on right side and left side. And now is the most fun part. Now pressing the canvas for mixing some acrylics. I wanna get unique result, so I just little slide it and open it. Yay! Yeah, you can get something asymmetry pattern and color. And I flipped canvas and gonna get more random mixing, or I don't know, more random color mixing. Yeah, I always repeat few times these steps. Now I feel maybe yellow highlight, little bit more yellow highlight. So I using plastic wrap for adding some yellow acrylic. Because using plastic wrap, don't need to break any structure, and you can left unique mark. And edge it. Yeah, don't waste acrylic. Alright, it's completed right. I wait like a day or something like that, 24 hours, for just in case. Yeah, so
if you are really feel satisfied at this point, you can stop to paint. But I want to go more. I want to keep going. So I'm using squeezy for screen printing. But if you don't have any squeezy, I think you can use window wiper for this too. Yeah, and left side. Yeah, white acrylic stuck between the structures. That's how you get random marks. Alright, now step 3. As you see, I always use Bristol flat brush because I like to make sharp lines and it works for me. Yeah, so I only moving my brushes up to down, like sliding or gently sliding. I don't use water for this way because I want to get really sharp line for this. But don't use too much acrylics because it's gonna make your line not cool, I guess. Yeah, you need to adjust the amount of acrylic, decent amount. So that's it. Up to down, up to down. I'm still moving my brushes. I'm still moving my brushes and repeating over and over, same moving, same stroke. Now I am defining the structure. As you see, canvas emerged by acrylics, which I put on at step 1. So that's how you can define structures. I'm still moving my brush up to down, but my degrees of brush, it's different. Now it's 180 degrees or something like that. Because it's easy to get thin layers on it. I didn't really plan to make these mountains before I started this painting, but I felt something from this result from step 2. So, yeah, that's how I decided to make this mountain. Now I'm adding some gold for a little bit shiny layer before I put something on it. Now I'm putting white on it. And give more lines on it. And adding more lines. I love this moment when I am painting because I'm like in something zone. And when I am zone, I feel really meditated. That's why I like to repeat same moving brush up to down. That moving leads me to meditation. Yeah, define color gold line on it now. It's more like yellow gold. Yeah, mountains, white mountains. What do you think? Is it cooler? Huh. Yeah, I love the layers and depths and structure and shape of emerged. Now getting final process. I'm trying to get a unique random mark by using painting knife. I don't want to get a lot, but I want to get little mark, and painting knife is good for that. And now adding little more shape and defining the structure. And repeat over and over. I feel like almost. A little bit more white for the sky. Whatever part of sky. And I go with orange for the edge because I want to. And that's it.
So, how was that? Was it easy, complicated, or just too basic? Please let me know in the comment. One last thing from me, and that's if you are tired with life, like me a couple years ago, you should definitely consider diving into making art, because you're the only one who can understand what you want. And making art helps you understand yourself. And really fun. That's it from me today. Thank you for watching today, and I will see you soon next time.